Hey guys, welcome to Fortune & Co. So Dom's here, got me set up with that GT350 Shelby that I picked up 2 years ago, about March. Kind of just going to talk about a couple reasons, top things why I love about my Shelby.
What's up, faggots?
Now here's
Such
Josh.
a big dick.
If you want to know how to buy a GTR, work the corner straight.
Please continue.
Put that in
I'm the captain now.
Look at me, sure. I'm the captain now.
Off the air, these pants are kind of loose. My dick isn't swinging and shit, is it?
Can you?
Oh, yeah. Jesus Christ, I said turn it off! You guys want a drink or something? Though I feel like an asshole if I don't.
Yeah, give me a drink.
What do you want?
See, I'll get it later. We just.
Subscribe for sure. It's a great channel. It's gonna have a lot of great things in it. Definitely thumbs up, like the video. If you think this car is a piece of shit and you should drive a GTR, go watch the other videos and give it a thumbs down for sure. Alright, so first thing what I love about my GT350 is 100% the sound. If you guys want to just like become Google experts, jump on the web and look up the flat plane crank. If you want an amazing sounding car from factory, like this is it. I can't tell you how many people have asked me what exhaust I'm running or what I'm doing to it. Especially for the guys that are even modding these things on the exhaust, it just gets even louder, it gets nastier, it gets raspier, it's crazy. Basically allowing this thing to rip to 8250 and just making like tons of great sound. Second thing that I just adore in this thing is the look. Like she's mean as hell, guys. She's meaner than mean. More importantly, it's such a great chassis. I can't believe like I've had it stock for so long, and it's been an absolute treat to drive this thing all day, every day, all through the summer. Because you guys didn't know, we're good old Canada, so our winters stop us from enjoying things. Third thing is performance, bang for buck. I was looking around the 60 area, which I got it for. And there wasn't one thing out there. You could probably jump on Auto Trader or Craigslist or whatever and show me your 5,000 Honda Civics and then go build them for like 30K, and then yeah, you might beat me. But if you're looking for like the W205 generation C63, this thing hands down, character-wise, beats one. I test drove one, meh is what I've got to say. Although the new C63S's are pretty insane, but definitely way out of the 60K range. I mean, almost like a brand new 2019 GT is this price now, which is crazy. I honestly can't beat bang for buck on this thing. Just all around, straight line, doesn't matter, highway rolls, this thing's insane. Fourth thing for sure is the company Ford. I've been pretty lucky. I've had zero issues with this thing. Other than needing to change tires, because you know, why not, and oil changes and your regular maintenance. Yeah, she's been an absolute beast. On top, Ford Performance, shout out to like being such a great company. They even include like a free trip to well, not a free trip, but a free track day in Utah. You just gotta basically cover your plane, and basically you get to drive the exact same car minus the color, and you get to have a great time ripping it around a track. Although you can always go to the tracks around you and take your own car, just less risk involved. They even send you an owner's supplement, which is like super insane. You get like a one-off crankshaft, one like pretty much smaller design about. And yeah, just a great company and all to buy a great product from. I'm not sponsored at all in any way, but if you feel like sponsoring me, for sure hit me up or hit Fortune & Co up. Alright guys, so yeah, just like went over a couple of things, and I think I've really touched base on what you can just like focus on when you're expecting this car. Be aware that not every dealer is going to let you test drive one, so if you're definitely around my area and you feel like test driving one before you want to buy it, I'm more than happy to give you a kind of a rip to kind of see what it was. You know, even on the track, if you feel like joining us, we'll probably be hitting up CS next year. But yeah, if you haven't already subscribe, hit the like button. There's going to be a ton more automotive coming through. If you're not in the automotive and you're here just to see guys talk about cars, then 100% this is it. For sure, this is probably the best car you can get out there right now for around the 60 grand mark. Again, it's just it's been a one-off experience in this car. Coming from a Cobalt SS Turbo, it's just been absolutely amazing. And for sure, you guys definitely need to check them out. And yeah, that's about it. Peace out, guys.